In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay on Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, head over to afterpay.com on a web browser, either on your computer or your phone, select your region and sign into your account as usual. If you do not have an account, use the sign up option at the top right corner of the screen, and if you need instructions on Afterpay, just select how it works. If you only want to know how to buy on Amazon, simply use the search function at the top of the screen to look for Amazon. As you can see, we can get redirected to the Amazon gift card store, and in here we can buy Amazon gift cards. The reason why I'm showing you how to do this process through gift cards is because as of today, Afterpay only works by using gift cards for Amazon. I'm unsure if you can directly make a transaction using Afterpay in the Amazon website. However, this method allows you to completely use Afterpay to acquire the gift cards that you will be using within Amazon. As you can see, you can select from a bunch of custom amounts, and these should cover whatever price range you are trying to buy. After you select it, you can see information on the payments that you need to do later with Afterpay, and you can even send it to a friend if necessary. You can read the details through here, the expiration dates and terms and conditions that apply. And you have simple instructions at the bottom of the page. Simply buy the gift card, go to Amazon.com and redeem them inside your account, and then buy the item that you want using the gift card currency or balance that will appear. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.